the moment I press here, start button, I should see the text, what I want to be displayed. Okay, whatever I feel to be displayed, that to be displayed here. So now I need to write some code in the background. Simple. So you no need to go to again code and then find out which function is where. You no need to struggle like that. Simply, we can think that the moment I press start button here, then inside the start button, I suppose to write a code that should help me to display the text. So what I'm going to do means just right click on start button. You could see here callbacks. Okay, just I'm pressing cursor over callbacks and then add button push F function callback. Just click over it. Automatically, that will take you to your start button or push button callback function. See, straight away button push function start button. So just straight away the cursor now it is in this particular function. Automatically your program will be taking to that particular location. Now, what is my aim? In edit field, look at edit field here, ap.edit field. So how to, I'm just gonna access the tag name, ap.dot. See, the moment I type here ap dot, automatically you could see edit field, it is showing automatically. So simply if I press enter, you no need to type, automatically that edit field will be automatically printed there. So you no need to remember and type. Sometimes when you're typing also you may do mistake. It is a case sensitive. If you look at here, the first letter is capital in the edit, and also field also F is caps. Sometimes you may do mistake also. So luckily once the moment if you type ap dot, automatically it is giving what is the tag name of that. Okay. Again a dot. I want a value. In that particular location, and I'm just gonna give name as welcome to app designer. That's it. Over. So now straight away from here you can go to run button and then you can run the program. If you want to give different name, you can give a different name. I'm just going to save this in desktop. Name I'm going to give it as display text. For my understanding, I'm just giving a name as display text. So by default, it will show extension MLAPP. So you can simply press enter. Yeah, see, you could see based on whatever size you are selecting. So with that size of panel only, that will display here. Now I'm pressing start button. Could you see welcome to app designer? When someone respond me, you could see that, yeah, fine. Yeah. Now this is what the program. In order to display something. So, and if you feel like, as I said earlier, you are just confused. What is this edit field? I don't want this edit field as a name. You want to change the name of that. Yeah, you can do it. See, I'm just going to change it as maybe display. I want to change it as a display. Capital D I'm giving. Okay. Now you notice here, the tag name for this is ap.edit field earlier. Now I'm changing it as a display. Now what extra term will get added? Just notice